Are you ready to participate in a Feldenkrais awareness through movement lesson? The title of this lesson is Lift an elbow and the homolateral knee on all four. By the way, if you'd like to go over the lesson quickly, or watch only the gist in advance, click the white circled eye icon at the upper right corner. Otherwise, let's begin the lesson. Lie on your back, please. Feel how your back touches the floor. Or how not touch the floor. Roll over and stand on elbows and knees, please. Open between legs. Open between arms. Stand the toes of both feet. Slowly lift the right elbow and put it down on the floor a few times. Leave the rest of the limbs to stay quiet. Pay attention to how the upper spine twists as you lift and lower it. If you allow the rest of the limbs to move, the spine does not have to rotate as much. Leave it and rest on the stomach. Come back on the elbows and knees, please. Slowly lift the right knee and put it down on the floor a few times. Pay attention to how the lower spine twists as you lift and lower it. Leave it and rest on the stomach. Come back on the elbows and knees, please. Slowly lift the right elbow and the right knee alternately a few times. Lift the right elbow and put it down, and then lift the right knee and put it down. Slowly lift the right elbow and the right knee together, and lower them on the floor again. As you do this, try to remember how the upper and the lower spine were twisted a minute ago. Do it a few times. Try to remember how the spine needs to twist as you lift an elbow and the knee on the same side. It is the combination of the two twists in the upper and the lower spine as we just did. Leave it and rest on the stomach. Come back on the elbows and knees, please. Let's do it on the other side in your imagination. Imagine lifting the left elbow and the left knee alternately. Lift, once the left elbow and once the left knee in your imagination. Imagine lifting the left elbow and the left knee together. As you do this in your imagination, try to remember how the upper and the lower spine were twisted a minute ago. How does the upper spine twist? How does the lower spine twist? How high does the left elbow lift in your imagination? How high does the left knee lift in your imagination? Leave the imagination alone and actually lift them. Lift the left elbow and the left knee together a few times. Leave it alone and rest on the back. Feel how your back touches the floor. Stand up and walk around for a while and see how each vertebra of the spine gently move. This concludes the lesson. Thank you.